Maseches Nazir Daf Lamed Ches. The Gemara says that all revius shebetoira ein hetem mitzdarf leitzer, and only by revius of Nazir hetem mitzdarf leitzer, because the pasuk says mishras, and the Mefarish says that kol revius shebetoira ein hetem mitzdarf leitzer is referring to kegon revius dam that's mitama ba'oil. The het is not mitzdarf le'isser. The Beskroven stencils as that this Mefarish is tzorich in Godel. What's the havamina that by tumas oil the dam is mitam b'revius? You should stay het to mitzdarf le'isser, since there is no sheer revius that's mitama ba'oil. What's the havamina? You should take sharmashkin to mitzdarf a sheer revius for oil. That is a lot of hetem mitzdarf le'isser by Nazir, specifically by a ma'isa achila. However, by tumas oil, it's in the hefts of the dam that's a sheer revius. It's mitam oil, so you don't have a sheer revius of dam. What's the chiddush that you don't say hetem mitzdarf le'isser to mitam oil? Eine seif in the Sivas HaKodesh that says a very interesting chiddush to explain this Mefarish that we mentioned in the Shir Elnaf Lamed Vov and the Shim Psachim. There's a tremendous Chakira and Rabbi Chanan, the Steipler, and the Ged of Hetem Mitzdarf Le'isser. Is it a halach in the Ma'isa Achila that has a chashivas because of Hetem Mitzdarf Le'isser, or Hetem Mitzdarf Le'isser? The Geder is that the Isser makes the Heter to have a status of Isser like the Isser itself. And the Chodim learn that's good with Machlokes, Rashi, and Tosfos. The Tosfos holds specifically when it's Murov, and you say Heter Mitzdarf Le'isser because the Isser makes the Heter into Isser. However, Rashi learns even when it's not Murovin, it has a chashivas of a Ma'isa Achila, of a Kezayis, because of the halacha of Heter Mitzdarf Le'isser. And the Sivas HaKodesh proves that there's another Geder, and that the Heter Mitzdarf Le'isser, and therefore the Havamina should pertain to the sheer vias of dam mitam oil, that together is that we find in many places that legabi tziruf, it's mahani to mitzdarf and to supplement the sheer, even something that doesn't have the ikar chashivas, nevertheless could supplement and to mitzdarf to mahani to imashri sheer. He says it's mavur in the Sugya in Sukkah Daf Yotes that the tit haniruk is mitzdarf to a sheer mikveh, even though the tit itself is not mayim that's mahani to be considered a mikvah. Nevertheless, it's mahani to mitzdarf to make a sheer mikvah. And he says also you find ba'avir sukkah that's less than 3 tefachim, you can't sleep under the avir, but nevertheless it's mitzdarf for a sheer sukkah. So you see, even though the avir doesn't have chashivas for a sukkah, nevertheless it's mahani to mitzdarf for a sheer sukkah. And so too you find in the Sugya before Daf Lamed Vov, the Hashum v'Hashemen of Truma, even though they don't have a sheer kibeya, nevertheless Heter Mitzdarf Le'isser is mahani and supplements the sheer to give it a sheer, a chashivas of a beya for Kabbalas Tumah. So the Sivas HaKodesh says, you see from all these cases that it's possible to supplement the sheer, even though the chulin and the avir and the tit don't have the ikar chashivas itself. Nevertheless, it could supplement the shear. So who did over here? The get of Heter Mitzdarf Le'isser is that the Heter is mashveh the shear revius and gives it a chashivas over revius. So who did is a havim, but the mitam acherim ba'oil that should pass Heter Mitzdarf Le'isser v'ayin shamoid. Moving for the on, Tosfos says that Reb Shimon says a kol shehu the Malkus, and you don't need a sheer kezayis for Malkus, is specifically when it's not a day taruvis. However, if there's a taruvis, then Reb Shimon does not say kol shu Malkus. The Achronim ask a tremendous kash on this Tosfos. It's Shver for Gemara in Shvus Daf Chavalvas Mavur that even on a day taruvis, Reb Shimon holds kol shu Malkus, because the Gemara says that Bekiva doesn't hold of the chiddush of Reb Shimon the kol shu Malkus, because Bekiva says that Nazir that was shor pita biyayin, that if there's a sheer l'tzarif, then you chayiv. By the fact that Bekiva says he need a sheer l'tzarif al korchi, you see that he holds that you're not chayiv b'kol shu. And you see over here that even though Bekiva was mechayiv when you shor pita biyayin, and you didn't eat the yayin by itself, rather like the teruvas, and nevertheless it's mavur that will pertain to halacha of Reb Shimon that kol shulamakis. The Chassam Sofer brings from Shulchan Iger a teretz according to tremendous hisoy that the Ritva brings Imakis b'shem the Ramah that says that Reb Shimon holds kol shulamakis is not the pshat that he holds the old need a shear. Rather, the Geder Hadover is that by the fact you ate the Isser, that itself is machshiv the Isser and gives it a chashivas like a kazayas. And according to this, it's understandable why. But Taruvis, it doesn't pertain to halachas because specifically if you take the Isser itself, that has a halacha of achsheve. However, if it's nechal and de Taruvis, there's no achsheve on the Isser. So according to this, Yisoid Shulchan Iger says that that's specifically when the Isser got mixed up by itself with the heter. However, over here, in the case of the Gemara in Shavuos, that the Nozu was shora Peter Biyayin and he was taking Biyadayim, the wine. So therefore, since he took the wine clearly lahedya, so therefore it's considered achshevi on the yayin, and it will pertain to halacha of Reb Shimon that kol shulamakis. I'm Shmuel Rozovsky in Psachim that is mechaven to the teretz from Shulchan Iger, and he says another teretz according to that tzad that we mentioned the Shila El and Dav Lamed Vov, that the Geder of Heter mit Starf the Isser is that the Isser is mashvi Isser on the Chelik Heter itself, and the Heter becomes like a din of the Isser itself. So according to that, you could say that since the halach of Heter mit Starf the Isser by a Nozer Sheshor Peter B'Yayin, and the Heter also has a din like Yayin, so therefore it doesn't have a chashivas like a taruvis, because the entire Maisa Achila is on a Dvar Issa, the bread with the yayin is all osir, so it's not considered taruvis, and therefore Yechayiv, even Bekoshu, according to Reb Shimon v'ayin sham. Moving further on, the Rosh Hashanah Beis says that there's a shir revius of yayin by a nazir is learned out. Sheikha from Mikdash. And the Biskrov and stencils ask, what's the understanding in the Rosh? Why do you need a yafusa sheikha in Mikdash, that the whole chiv of shtiyas yayin by a nazir is revius? Typically, that halacha and all shtiyas b'Torah is bervius. So why do you need a specific yafusa in regard to shtiyas yayin of a nazir that the shtiyas is revius? And that the Biskrov says a tremendous yisoid that it's cholok be yisoid the din revius by shtir of yayin by a nozir. Then the shir revius and kolater kula, the din shir revius and kolater kula is a shir in the ma'is shtir. However, by revius yayin benozir, it's a shir misuyim, and it's a shir in the ikir isser, that the whole isser of shtiyas yayin is specifically with revius, and therefore you need the alfusa miyuchet from Mikdash, that by Mikdash there's no ma'ase shtiya that's also by Mikdash. The halach is you can't come into the Beis Hamikdash after you drank wine, and the drinking of the wine is not also, rather after you drink wine you can't come into the Beis Hamikdash. So it's not a shir in the ma'ase shtiya b'chlal, so you're learning out the same way. The shir and the chefts of yayin b'mikdash is bervius. Who tin by nazir it's also bervius. And the Biskrov says, according to this, you can understand that it's mavur and taisis and sukkah, that the shir vius by nazir, the shir that you displace, or vius of yayin. It's not like other vius in that the shir is with water. And what's the difference? Why is nazir different than the other shir viasin? So Biskrov says the answer is canal, that there's a whole different geder in the shir vias of yayin benozir, and therefore it's measured with the displacement of wine and not with the displacement of water, which is a greater shir because wine is thicker than water. And Biskrov says there's a raya to the Ikki Yisai from the Tosefta that speaks out the Yechayiv benozir, a shir vias of yayin, even if it's mozug, and even if it's not bivas achas. and it's Surchi and Godel. What's the Chiddush in this Tosefta? That's the halacha and all shtiyas in the Torah that even if it's mozog and even not bevasachas yechayiv. But the answer is the hein advarim. Since you're learning out a specific sheer revius by nozer that's learned out from Migdosh, that's a sheer in the cheftza, the yayin. You might think it's specifically doimed to Migdosh that has to be drinking, not mozog and bevasachas va'ayin shamoit.